Hello and welcome to Scotland. Now I am in Hamilton, which is about half an hour or so away from Glasgow city centre, and I thought I would do a behind the scenes video for you today rather than my travelling. I am travelling, but I thought I'd just show you and talk about behind the scenes. So today is Tuesday, I think it's the 26th of May. And we've come up to do a certain trip tomorrow that I'm going to film all of that. But today was just family time. I'm going to spend time with family, have a wander around and look at the architecture and sort of check out Hamilton and Glasgow. But I also wanted to show you the room that I'm in, this Premier Inn room, and yeah, just go from there. So shall I show the room first and then we'll get into the meat and potatoes of what I'm doing tomorrow. So this is my room right here. So there, as you can see, there is my backpack full of all the stuff that I need, and I will go into that in a moment, the whole behind the scenes thing. But I have a little bed here, but this is my bed for the night. This big soft double bed. I have laid in it and it feels very nice. I'm going to hopefully get a good night's sleep. And as you can see, you've got points both sides for your plugs, and there's a USB-C, USB normal sort of socket, as you can see here. It's not a USB-C, just a regular USB either side. Works perfectly fine with your lights either side. So if you just want to turn all lights off and just have your neon glow along the top there, and your little reading lights there. And then as we pan round, you've got your television on the wall and your tea and coffee making facilities over here, and a desk if you wanted to do some work there. It does have a double socket there and a little lamp as well. And then obviously I haven't unpacked yet, but that's where I'm going to put my clothes. A nice little sort of area there with extra, I think it's just extra sort of pillows there possibly. And then you've got storage under there, which I think is just sort of another sheets. And then round here, you've got your hairdryer, a couple more points if you want to charge phones and things as well, and a mirror. Hello. And then there's the bathroom. So here we are in the bathroom. It's got a nice bath and shower. So it has got the shower for your bits and a shower for your hair as well. And it's Bayliss and Harding, the posh stuff. And then over here you've got your basin, as you would expect, with more of that stuff there, and a toilet for your ones and twos. Hello. But yeah, there's plenty of mirrors everywhere. So if you want to see yourself in the mirror, just to make sure you've got your stuff on properly, or if you're one of these weirdos that likes to check himself out naked, I don't know. I'm not too sure what sort of viewer I've got on this channel. But yeah, you've got plenty of mirrors there just to make sure you don't have ice cream on your face, or you look perfect for when you go down for breakfast. But yeah, this is my room for the night. My family are with me, but they've got a room up there, and I wanted my own little room, so I could do a little tour for you and show you a bit of this and the art on the walls. But yeah, I just thought I'm going to put the camera in now, have a little chat with you about sort of the behind the scenes and what I've got planned for tomorrow, which will be next week's video. So let's get that done. So when it comes to behind the scenes, I just wanted to talk about sort of when it comes to going away normally, or going away when you're a YouTuber, content creator, whatever you want to call it. Like when you're with your family and you're not a YouTuber, you can just go out, you can enjoy the moment, you can take it all in, and you don't have to worry about other things. If you're a YouTuber, content creator, that sort of thing, you've got to make sure your batteries are charged, you've got the right cameras, you've got filters, you've got your sort of your batteries and things like that. You sort of what are they called? Power banks. You've got all your cables and all the bits and pieces you need with that. For this particular journey, I've got me the Osmo Pocket 4, which I'm recording on now. I've got my GoPro, I think it's a GoPro 12. So the GoPro 12 has 3 batteries, and obviously they need charging. I've got the Osmo Pocket 4, which has got an internal battery that needs charging, and I've got a power bank. I think it's an Inuit power bank, so I have to make sure that's charged, just so that I'm not caught short when I'm out. I can make sure I can charge. But yeah, and then obviously I've got my mobile phone to charge, so you've got to think of all these things. Have I got my right chargers? Have I got everything I need? So yesterday when I was at home, I had everything laid out in the bed, making sure I had everything I needed with that. The right chargers, because sometimes some are USB-C, some are different. So you just got to make sure they're the right cables and everything. But everything worked out fine. And yeah, getting here was strange. We got the first train from Thornaby to Darlington, and there was a train on fire in front of us, so there was a bit of a delay, and we were kind of panicking in that regard because we wanted to make sure we got the LNER from Darlington all the way to Edinburgh. Then we had to get another train from Edinburgh to Glasgow, and then from Glasgow we got one here to Hamilton. So it was a bit of a trek. We got up early this morning, didn't get much sleep because when you're watching this video it'll be sort of a few weeks ahead, but this was recorded when it was the bank holiday, when it was hot weather. So the bank holiday Monday was horribly hot, and the night was hot, so I didn't get any sleep last night. So me, my wife and my son got up, we were like zombies, trying to make sure we got everything packed, all the clothes, all the sort of bits and pieces that you need to go away. But yeah, we got here, and we had a nice little walk around. I'll show you some clips as I'm talking, but we got to Glasgow and we had a little wander around there, and I saw the architecture here. There's some beautiful buildings mixed in with the new, so we were just walking around the streets, seeing all the beautiful architecture. We went for some food. I think it was Bella Italia. Went for some pasta, which I'll show you now. This is the meal I had. Nice pasta dish. I think it was a beef and red wine tortellini, not my usual pie and chips. So I had that. Then we had a little bit of a walk around. Me and my wife and my son met his friend. And then we came to Hamilton, dropped our bags off, which was, if you're a traveller, there's nothing better than getting to your hotel room, dropping your bag off and getting back out with none of that weight. And then just sort of wandered around, took my camera with me. I wasn't planning on filming today. This was just capture a few little bits and pieces throughout. Tomorrow is going to be the day when I'm going to be filming everything. It's something I've always wanted to do. It's something that I've never done before, and it's going to be fantastic. And I will kind of give you little bits, but I don't want to tell you all because I want you to be surprised by it next week. So you don't know what it is, and it'll, yeah, bam, it's there. But yeah, so we dropped our bags off, went for a walk. I filmed some more. We ended up going for a little walk. But yeah, we went to a fire station there. My son and his friend wanted to see it, so we had a nice little walk around Hamilton, and we went to see that. So you can see that now. There was a nice memorial there for the firemen that lost their lives as well. And then we made our way back to Hamilton West, the train station, and we went through a park. And the park had some beautiful, vibrant flowers there. So I thought I've got to get some footage of those. And also I've got some slow motion footage of bees. And I don't know whether the bees are blurred bees, but I wanted to try and get some slow motion shots of the bees buzzing around. So obviously you'll have seen that. So hopefully it hasn't been blurred. I can't check on these little screens. But yeah, we just sort of wandered back and just sort of came back to the hotel. We had some food in the restaurant, and then I came up here and I'm just getting myself sorted ready for tomorrow, make sure everything is charged again and get everything ready so I can get up, get breakfast, and we can get straight out. So I'm going to be I'll give you a bit of a clue now, a bit of information. We're getting up early tomorrow. We're going to be getting a train from here back to Glasgow, and then Glasgow to, I think it's called Wemyss Bay Station. I think that's what it's called. I'll put the text below what it's called. But we're going to go there, and it looks a beautiful station. So I want to show you that before we go. Show the interior. The roof looks fantastic. And then we will be getting a ferry somewhere else. But I don't want to tell you where we're going. If you've been to there, you might know exactly where that ferry goes. So you probably guess what next week's video is. But yeah, we planned this last week, and I was over the moon with it, and I thought, yes, this is going to make great content. It's going to be good sort of for people that want to come and see the west coast of Scotland and maybe sort of venture a bit further and have a bit of an adventure. And that's what we're doing tomorrow, and you'll see that next week. So yeah, so this video is just to sort of as I say, behind the scenes, just sort of talk about what it's like. Sometimes when I go away, you don't get to appreciate everything fully when you've got a camera. Obviously I'm walking around with a camera, I'm talking to you, telling you certain things, I'm filming bits, but I'm not taking it all in 100%. I'm just taking little bits in, looking at the screen. So you don't sort of fully appreciate sort of the adventure when you're doing that. So today was pretty much just film a few clips, and then I wanted to sort of switch the camera off, spend time with my wife and my son and his friends, and just wander around, have a bit of a laugh, not sort of think about, oh, I need to film this, I need to do this. just to enjoy the day. And it's been a really good day. It's sort of, as I say, it's about 10 o'clock now. We started about 7 o'clock this morning, so I am knackered. But yeah, it's going to be fun. So this is Tuesday. Wednesday we're going to go and have that adventure. Thursday I think we're going to be going to Glasgow. We might be venturing up to somewhere else. We might be going to Falkirk, so we may see the Falkirk whale. We're not too sure yet. It depends on sort of tomorrow, because we're going to be there at this place for 12 hours. It's a long day. It's going to be a long day tomorrow. So I want to film as much as I can. So I've got the Pocket 4 I'm going to be filming on. I've got my GoPro with a 3 batteries, so I'm hopefully going to capture so much. Next week's video might be long, or I might be able to do it in maybe 2 halves, a 2-parter for you. Anyway, I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah, I just want to say thank you to all the subscribers out there, everybody that's viewed my videos. Not so long ago I hit 500,000 views, and for a very small channel as myself, it blew me away. It was fantastic. 500,000 views. I still can't get my head around it. Obviously it's probably 520,000 maybe by now, or more when you watch this video. And I'm heading towards 4,000 subscribers. Yeah, and it's just fantastic. So thank you so much for any subscribers, even if you just watch my videos. I appreciate that, and you like or comment. Thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, and I want to do more. I want to sort of venture forward and go further. Not just the UK, I'd like to go to Europe and places like that. So yeah, if you keep watching these videos, I can sort of earn more and venture forth and see more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I appreciate every single one of you. If you're still watching this video right now, do us a favour and hit like, comment below and let me know if there's anywhere in the UK, Ireland, Scotland or wherever, or even Europe, or places you've been you think you should definitely go here. It's amazing, the food's great, the architecture's great, whatever. If there's something there you think it's mind-blowing, it's perfect, it's great, you definitely need to go there. It's a bucket list item. Let me know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, because it helps me so much, pushes videos out there, and it's great to get that support. So thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I will see you all next week when I go on the massive adventure. So take care and bye bye.